In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Zoho Book app not working. So if you are experiencing any challenge with Zoho Books accounting app, maybe the app is not opening, it keeps on crashing, or it is too slow, then let me show you how you can fix any of these. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this app. In the first method, we are going to access the app info page for us to troubleshoot this problem. To do this, just go ahead and long press on your app and then choose the second option, app info. Now, under this app info page, we need to go ahead and clear the app data, more especially the cache data. If we go to storage here, you can see a breakdown of the data stored by this app. Of importance is this cache data. When you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your Zoho Books app normally collects and stores to enhance user experience. The problem is when these files accumulate, they might cause your Zoho app to malfunction. To fix this, go ahead and tap on clear data and then choose the second option, clear cache, and OK. From here, start your smartphone and open your Zoho Books, and this should have fixed most of your problem. But should you still have any challenge, then you need to go ahead and this time round under the app info again, go ahead and tap on clear all data and then OK. If you do this, you need to go ahead and log in afresh for you to start using this. But should these two methods not work, then you need to go to the third method, and that is to look for this app either through Google Play Store or App Store and find out if we have any update on Zoho Books app. So I'll go to Google Play Store because I'm on Android and then search for the app Zoho Books. And as you can see, my app is here. Tap on it and see if we have any update. Should you find you have an update, it means you have been using an outdated version of Zoho Books accounting app that might not be supported. Go ahead and tap on update to get the latest version of this app. At this point, now everything should be okay. But should you still experience issues such as the app still crashing, then you need to go ahead and uninstall this app totally and then install it afresh. So by doing this, you'll have fixed any issues related to Zoho Books. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.